All right, guys, we're learning how to play Thriller on the piano today. Let's listen. Starts out with just a few chords. All right, guys, fun. I am Shawn of webpianoteacher.com, and welcome. This is where we gather together to learn, play, and share the music that we love, creating a culture of encouragement for all you guys out there who are trying to learn piano online. You can do it. You just have to choose the right lessons, and you have to know how to practice. That's what I'm here for. Guys, this one really works well on piano, on keyboard. I'm going to show you how to do the rhythms and stuff on that beginning part, you know, where the chords start, and then the little funky bass line that's always in the Michael Jackson songs. We're going to do that as well. Just a fun one, a throwback from childhood, and all the kids still know it today. It's one of those timeless classics. Well, let's get to the board. And if you are a member of the website, you can download the sheet. I recommend doing that so you can zoom in, zoom out on the monitor for your practice needs, or you can print it out and write on it. All right, so we're just going to start with this Thriller, Thriller night. It's kind of fun. So we'll start with C sharp on the left hand. I know I only have one C sharp there, but we're going to play an octave. Okay, so C sharp, here's middle C, here's the next C's down. So we're going to go to C sharp. C sharp is one key to the right of a regular C. So that's called C sharp. Play an octave there, and then we'll come up to an E. Thriller. So C sharp, E. And then, we'll just take that first part. The top part, Thriller, C sharp. Here's middle C, here's the next C up. I'm going to come up here. C sharp, E, and then G sharp on my third finger, C sharp on my fifth finger at the top. It's really a C sharp octave, and you have E and G sharp in the middle. All right, if you know what a C chord is, C, E, G, C, all you do is sharp everything except the E. But here's the thing. Your thumb is on a black key. Whenever that happens, you have to move your other fingers in between the black keys to be able to play it. Everybody tries to stay out here on the edge. You have to slide up. You see how this finger slides in there? So I can play it easily that way. Thriller. Now here's the great thing about this chord to this one, is you have two notes that stay the same. So here's a tip. If you'll remember this, it will really help you in everything you play. When you're going from one chord to the next one, or have a series of chords in a row, always find the key or keys that stay the same. Those will be your anchors to get from one chord to the next. I know that sounds kind of maybe simple, but if you really realize which keys stay the same, then it makes the moves a lot easier. Let's get back to the board, show you what I mean. The E and the G sharp stay the same. These two fingers don't move. All I move is the outsides, the C sharp to the B. Because a lot of people will play this, and then they'll go, all right, reset. Then they'll find the next chord. Then they'll reset, play the next chord. Don't reset. You don't have to reset because these two stay the same. C sharp to B, and you'll save yourself a lot of time by eliminating extra motion by just getting to that next chord, okay? So, Thriller. I think the first time I did it way down here. Thriller. And it could be that low on the left hand. I'm going to do it right here so that we can maybe see it better. All right, so that's the first part. You got this? Thriller. Just practice that move. Okay? And then Thriller. So E again. Remember that video? Thriller. All right, everybody talked about the video. Some parents would let their kids watch it, others wouldn't. Some of us watched it anyway. All right. E, F sharp, C sharp on the bottom. Thriller. So practice that move. E to F sharp to C sharp. Practice moving high wrist and just go for it. There's really no time to try to measure how far. You just have to get used to the distance. Now the right hand. Great news because we're playing the same chord that we played here. This was a C sharp minor chord, by the way. This is an E major chord, another E major chord. So you don't have to move through, but you have to move on the next one. Now this one, we look for keys that are the same. There aren't any. So, too bad on that one. But notice the move. The B octave on the outside goes to A sharp octave. So it's just a black key away. And the two middle notes fit right there under our fingers. It's all black keys, and you may go, oh no, all black keys, but that actually makes it easier, I think. When you have a combination of white keys and black keys, you can get lost, but if they're all black keys, that helps out, I think. C sharp and F sharp in the middle. See that? So from there to there, practice that move, getting there. Because the hard part is not playing the chord once you get there. It's getting from one chord to the next. Now the very last one is right there. We don't have a note. Well, we do have a note that's the same. We do. Which one? The C sharp. So notice that that 2 finger does not move, and it's my anchor to get to the next chord. I don't reset. I just slide into the next one. G sharp octave on the outside. The C sharp was the same from this one, and this goes to E, my 3rd finger. So practice Thriller Night over and over. Okay, so we have it all. Thriller. There we go. If you can do it way down here. Okay, so there's our part 1. There is a lot more to this that we do on the website. I'll just give you the taste here on the part 1, and if you can also go to the website webpianoteacher.com and watch thousands of other part 1s. You can learn a lot just from the part 1s, and that's free to do that. So come over and join us, and you don't have to watch ads either. You can just go straight to the video. Hope you guys enjoyed this lesson. I surely did. Talk to you later.